So this video isn't really about programming. This is about how to prepare your images. Usually you want to resize your images so that they're the size that you want them to be in your program, and you probably also want to cut away the background and make the background transparent. If you have a paint program or a photo editing program that you use, you can totally just use those. There's also available online solutions. So here, remove.bg is like an automatic background removal service. And you can see what it looks like. So you can literally just drag the picture. Oh, here, I got to get these side by side. So you can literally just drag the picture that you want over to remove.bg, and it will remove the background, and then you can download it. If for some reason that doesn't work, what you could do is you could copy the image, and then if you're on Windows, there's a program called paint.net that is free to download and install. So you could install paint.net, and then you could paste the image, and that's what it looks like. I'm going to crop it, so I'm going to make a rectangular selection, and then image crop to selection. And then if you want to remove the background, an easy way to do it would be the magic wands tool. So I've selected the background, but you can see that it's kind of getting in on the pie a little bit, so you can adjust the tolerance. Okay, so it seems like the background here blends in too well with the handles, so we can't use the magic wand tool. We'll just have to hand select it. So let's do this. So you could zoom in and you could use the lasso tool. And I'm gonna do like a very fast pour job here. But if I select the lasso tool like this, you can lasso the area that you want. Then I'm gonna say image, okay, so it's in the edit menu, invert selection. So here the pie is selected. If I invert the selection, now everything except the pie is selected. And I can hit the delete key, and now I have a transparent background. The checkerboard is the way that you recognize a transparent background. If you want to save an image with a transparent background, you should use the PNG file format. So I'm going to call this pie, and there it is. And I'll save it. Oh, let's change the size first. So you can go to image. Let's change the canvas size. And so you can decide what its height and width should be in pixels. So just think about how big your screen is. Your screen, or the window we've been using, is 800 by 800 pixels. So I probably don't want my pie to be more than about 100 by 100. If you change one of them, the other one's also going to change, because otherwise your image would distort. So it's maintaining the aspect ratio, which means that it's maintaining the overall shape. Click OK. Oh, I guess I didn't want to change the canvas size. I guess what I really wanted to do was resize. But same thing. I'm going to resize to 100 by 100. Great. So now it's smaller. And so now I can save it. And I'm done. If you haven't done so already, check out the other video where you can see how you can put these into your actual games.